Welcome to our guide on how to find friends by Gmail on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC to begin the process of finding friends through Gmail. Step 2. Locate and click on the Find Friends link in the top left corner of your X session. Step 3. Click on the Search Contacts button next to your Gmail provider to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email username and password login information when prompted by X to access your Gmail contacts. Step 5. Click on Allow Access or Agree when X requests permission to access your Gmail account information for friend suggestions. Step 6. Review the list of suggested friends and click on Follow next to the name of each person you want to add as your friend on X. By following these steps, you can easily connect with friends through Gmail on X, Twitter, on PC, to expand your social network and engage with familiar faces. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to find friends by Gmail on X, Twitter on PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by connecting with friends from your Gmail contacts and stay connected with them through X. Enjoy the convenience of finding and adding friends on X, Twitter, through your Gmail network to strengthen your social connections and interactions.